Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Volkswagen Jetta. First, ensure your Jetta's ignition is on, as the infotainment system needs power. Next, grab your mobile phone and turn on its Bluetooth function through the settings menu. Finally, locate and press the phone or media button on your Jetta's central display. This action will prepare your car's system for pairing with a new device, setting the stage for a seamless connection process. Now that your Jetta system is ready, navigate the on-screen menu to find an option like Search for New Device or Add Device. Select this to make your car discoverable. Simultaneously, look at your phone's Bluetooth settings. You should see VW Bluetooth or a similar name appear in the list of available devices. Tap on this option on your phone to initiate the pairing request. This step is crucial for establishing the initial communication between your phone and your Jetta. Once you've selected the Jetta on your phone, a 6-digit PIN will appear on both your car's infotainment screen and your mobile device. It is very important to carefully verify that these two numbers match exactly. After confirming the PINs are identical, you will need to confirm the connection on both your phone and the Jetta's system. This two-step verification ensures a secure and authorized link between your personal device and your vehicle's hands-free system. Congratulations! Your phone is now successfully connected to your Volkswagen Jetta's Bluetooth system. You can now enjoy the convenience of making hands-free phone calls, ensuring your focus remains on the road. Additionally, you can stream your favorite audio directly from your device through the car's speakers. In the future, your Jetta will automatically reconnect to your phone whenever you enter the vehicle, making your driving experience even more enjoyable and connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.